Welcome to Dreamy's Country Kitchen. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today I am making one of the first pound cakes that I learned to make, a banana pudding pound cake, an oldie but goodie. Stay tuned. Here are our ingredients. For the dry mixture, I have flour, baking powder, salt. I have white sugar. I have room temperature eggs. You'll need 5 or 6 of those. A banana pudding jello packet, 3 sticks of room temperature butter, room temperature cream cheese, Chessman, and vanilla wafers. I'm going to begin by adding my room temperature butter to my mixer and blending it in with my sugar. You want to cream that for at least 8 minutes or until light and fluffy. Next, I'm going to add the cream cheese to the mixture. Next, I'm going to add in my eggs one at a time until each yolk is broken. You want to slow down your speed of your mixer so that you don't overbeat. Overbeating your mixture can cause these weird gluten streaks in your cake and it'll look underbaked. Now I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of vanilla and about 2 teaspoons of banana. You can do it to your liking, less or more. And I'm going to start adding the dry mixture in. You always want to start with the dry mixture and alternate with your liquid that you're using. This case I'm using bananas, so I'm going to alternate with that, but you want to start with your dry mixture and end with your dry mixture. And as always, you want to stop, scrape the sides of your bowl, scrape at the bottom of your bowl, because if not, then the cake mix gets messed up and it ends up being like oily mixture on top and then it won't bake. Now I'm going to add in some crushed vanilla wafers and I'm just going to mix that in by hand. Here's my pan that I've sprayed with some baking spray. I stopped using Baker's Joy because for some reason the cake started sticking, so now I use Pam's baking spray, which is pretty good. It's always good to tap your pan on the counter after you've added the mixture so you can knock out some of the air bubbles in there. And then this is going to go in the oven at temperature 325 for about an hour and a half. Sometimes you got to go to an hour and maybe 45 minutes. But I wouldn't open the oven for the first hour. Don't open it. So this is how my cake is looking coming out of the oven. I love it. It smells amazing. After letting it cool for about 8 to 10 minutes, I'm going to flip it out. You always want to make sure you don't let it stay in there too long or it'll get stuck. Look at that perfect release. I'm so happy. Okay, now I'm going to throw this cream cheese glaze on top. I prepared it earlier while the cake is baking. I always do my glaze while the cake is baking. Going in with a little bit of vanilla wafers. And last but not least, the Chessman squares. Congratulations if you've made it this far, and I do appreciate it. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Consider subscribing, like, comment, share. See you next time. Shalom.